E36, let's go. What is good? What is good? It's your boy, and today we're gonna be looking at the brand new Forza Horizon 5 Rocket Bunny kits for all the cars that they just released. There's 21 of them. There's one of them I was not Huh? Nobody is selling them. Nobody is selling these shits. And so let's check these out. I'm gonna just go through them. I have all of the cars. I already put like some wheels on most of them. I changed a couple of the colors of them. So the first one we're doing is the E36 BMW, and I love this car. I don't even know what the Rocket Bunny looks like on this car. Nice, that looks fire. So now let's get into the E46. There's only a couple of these I've actually seen the wide body Rocket Bunny for. Oh, I've glanced over it. Go back to it. Okay. Now what's better? Like comparing them, what do you think is better? So this is stock. This is this kit. I think this is better as a wide body kit. Should I rate them? The first one was definitely, I'm gonna be biased towards the BMWs because I love the Beamers. For the first one, I'm definitely gonna go 8. This one, I'm definitely gonna go with a 7. I think the E36 is a little bit better. Now this one is gonna be really interesting. NSX. I love the NSX. I think the NSX is like the NSX might be my favorite car, top tier car, like of all time. Bam. Oh, okay. This looks fire. Solid 9 out of 10. Why is this one 20K? The other ones were like 5. The next car we got is the Honda S2K. Oh, that is fire. Oh my. Okay, yeah, with the spoiler, this car is fire. This car's really nice. I'm gonna say this one is a solid 8. This one's an 8. Mazda Miata. Now I do know that the Mazda Miata is definitely up there. The Mazda Miata looks really, really nice. Rocket Bunny. Okay. Yeah, I like it with the bigger wheels. You could still change some of the parts on it. That's cool. Because of the customization, I'm gonna give this a solid 8. Nissan, I know, has a lot of good ones. R32, I'm gonna go on a limb. This one's gonna be a 9 or a 10, I'm gonna say, before I even put it on. Got some fruity color on mine. Yeah, this one definitely does look really cool. I'm gonna say 9. Alright, so I know what the Fairlead Z looks like. Actually, you know what? I do like this one a lot. Solid 8. This one's an 8. Sylvia Club K. I love this car. I don't know. It kind of just lowers the car. It just makes the car more boxy and lower to the ground. This is a 5. Only because it doesn't really add anything to the car. There's not even a front lip. The Sylvia K, the regular one. I'm interested to see. It looks the same. Although I do like this one. I like how the intercooler is showing in the front. It gets bonus points for the intercooler showing in the front. This one gets 6. 240SX. Okay, I think this might be my first 10 out of 10. I absolutely love this kit. I don't know what goofy color I got on here. I low-key kind of like it though. Like, oh my gosh. See, now I don't mind rocking this color. I love this kit. I love this kit so much. This is a 10. This is a 10. This car in tan, like the Adam LZ tan, so nice. Custom upgrade. Here we go. The S14, the Aero. What the heck? This is my first 3. That front bumper though is not it. I kind of like the rear bumper delete though. 4. We'll give it a 4. So there's this one. This one's actually kind of sick. I actually do like this one. Yo, wait, actually? Hold up. This is an 8. Yeah, for this one. Yeah, it's just not it. Like, I don't like this front bumper. Our last Nissan car, which is the S15. I do like that front intercooler though. That looks fire. Clear hood? Why does it look like a picture? Why does it look like when you get an RC car and you have to slide a paper in there. I'm gonna give it a solid 7. I've seen this one before. This one looks nice. Yeah, damn. This one's nice. I will say this one's pretty fire. This one's definitely probably an 8. All right, BRZ. These BRZ wide body kits though, they're really nice. So I'm probably gonna end up giving this one an 8 or 9. Oh no, this is a solid 9. I don't know what's going on with spoiler. Spoiler's a little weird, I won't lie. 86. What are we thinking? What are we thinking, 86? It's like literally the same as the BRZ. So 9 again. I wish they were a little bit different. They're not different at all though. That's kind of saddening. The GTI, you know these ones are true, near and dear to my heart. Let's see. Okay. I kind of like this, but I think this one looks cool. I'll give this one 6 because it still looks like a box. Oh, I like it so much better than like just the regular Golf. Real, I'm gonna go 8. But a biased opinion, I go 9. D. Easy. A 360 with everyone. Dude, my wheel is through the fender. Yeah. Don't even come off the gas, bro. Don't even come off the gas. Okay. I brush my teeth. What's wrong with you? Come on, Jeep, race me. I'm gonna hit Braps on you. Yeah, Jeep Wrangler versus Cayman GTS. I'm gone. Goodbye. Oh, I wish they increased the traffic on this so I could cut up with my boys. See ya! Come on, double 360 with the BRZ. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, triple 360 with the BRZ. Front wheel drive, let's go. So we're definitely drifting this. Anyways, bro. Damn. She looked good though. E36, let's go. Breaking the law. Breaking the law, boys. I'm definitely on the right side of the road. Where are all the civilian cars? There they are. Here's one. Come here, boy. Give me a kiss, BMW. Oh, yeah, huh? Oh, get swerved. All right, here we go. Oh, no. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe. Peace!